George Gilder found a medicine stock that he thinks you should buy. According to him, this stock is about to explode in value and will make investors a lot of money. The bad news is that he wants you to pay him almost $1,000 just to learn the name of this stock. Lucky for you, based on the clues he left in his recent stock teaser, I figured out which company he's talking about, and I'll tell you for free in this video. But first, let's look at some of his past stock recommendations to see how good he is. In April 2020, Gilder recommended 8 stocks related to 5G technology. Let's go through them one by one. Number 1, Insego. Insego stock doubled briefly after his recommendation but has since dropped significantly. Number 2, Ceva Inc. Ceva had a similar trajectory as Insego, peaking briefly before declining. Number 3, A10 Networks. A10 Networks has performed quite well. Since being recommended, it has more than doubled, showing impressive gains. Number 4, Cloudflare. Cloudflare has really blown everything else out of the water, increasing by 1,000% in only 18 months. Number 5, Impinj. Despite volatility, Impinj has risen nearly 800% since Gilder's recommendation. Number 6, Allot doubled briefly but then crashed. Number 7, QuickLogic. QuickLogic, despite its fluctuations, is up about 300%. Number 8, Mitech Systems Inc. Mitech Systems Inc., which tripled initially, is now up about 30% since April 2020. As you can see from these results, Gilder's predictions tend to be pretty extreme. They either blow up or they crash, with not a lot in between. In his teaser, Gilder claims regenerative medicine could revolutionize healthcare more than antibiotics, X-rays, and anesthesia combined. But what exactly is regenerative medicine? Regenerative medicine is a branch of medical science that focuses on repairing or replacing damaged tissues and organs in the human body. Unlike traditional treatments that mainly manage symptoms, regenerative medicine aims to heal the underlying problems by stimulating the body's natural ability to heal itself. One key aspect of regenerative medicine involves using stem cells. These are special cells that can develop into many different types of cells in the body. For example, stem cells can be used to grow new heart muscle cells for someone with heart disease, or create new skin cells for burn victims. This technology has the potential to treat a wide range of conditions, from injuries and chronic diseases to aging-related issues. Another important part of regenerative medicine is tissue engineering. This involves creating artificial organs and tissues in the lab which can then be implanted into patients. For example, scientists can grow new cartilage to replace damaged joints or create new blood vessels to improve circulation. By combining biology, chemistry, and engineering, regenerative medicine holds great promise for the future of healthcare, offering the potential to cure diseases and repair injuries in ways that were previously unimaginable. Now, let's review the clues Gilder left in his presentation so we can determine which stock he was talking about. He gave 2 clues in the presentation. Clue number 1. The company figured out how to standardize regenerative medicine technologies to make them affordable on a global scale. Clue number 2. They solved traditional big pharma problems related to the production of regenerative medicines by creating mobile labs that can be transported by trucks. This will significantly speed up the development process. Stock Gilder is pitching is Orgenesis, ticker symbol ORGS. Orgenesis is a biotech company based in Germantown, Maryland that focuses on developing cell and gene therapies. Its unique point-of-care model allows treatments to be produced and given directly at medical centers, making the process cheaper and faster. This approach aims to make advanced medical treatments more available to patients. Financially, Orgenesis has seen growth through partnerships and expanding its reach, though its stock performance has been unpredictable, reflecting the ups and downs common in the biotech industry. Investing in Orgenesis has several benefits. Their innovative point-of-care model addresses major issues in the cell and gene therapy market by making production cheaper and more efficient. This places Orgenesis in a strong position within the biotech industry, with the potential for significant growth as personalized medicine becomes more popular. Their numerous partnerships with top medical and biopharmaceutical organizations help boost their research and market presence, leading to a strong pipeline of new therapies. The company's goal of making advanced treatments more accessible could offer substantial long-term returns for investors as the healthcare field continues to evolve. However, there are risks associated with investing in Orgenesis. The biotech sector is high risk, with significant costs for research and development, regulatory challenges, and intense competition. Orgenesis faces these challenges too. Their financial stability, while improving, depends on the success of clinical trials and obtaining regulatory approvals, both of which can be uncertain and time-consuming. Additionally, the company's stock can be very volatile. so potential investors need to consider these risks alongside the company's growth potential. Since early 2021, Orgenesis stock has been trending downwards, losing more and more value every couple of months. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.